What's up, guys? So for today's video, I've created this purple look for you. My face had a total freak out. If you watched my vlog, you know. Yeah, so it's finally healing. It's looking great. I can finally put makeup again. Thank you. Been out of it for a minute and it's been making me really sad. But I was so happy to film this for you. It is just this really cool royal purple look. You want to see how I created this? Keep on watching.
So for my eye base today, I'm using MAC's Painterly Paint Pot.
I'm just going to apply that all over my lid with my finger.
First palette I'm picking up today is the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm picking up the shade Parched. Next I'm going to be picking up the shade Subtle.
I'm just going to pop that in my crease.
Next palette I will be picking up is the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette.
And I'm just going to pop that right on the lid. All right, now that we've laid down that color, I don't want this harsh line there. So I'm gonna pick up my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here called Root Canal. Sean's gonna kill me because I'm not ready yet. Hi, babe.
Hello, baby bear.
You're gonna kill me, I'm not ready yet.
That's fine.
I was like almost ready and then I had to take off my whole fucking look because I wasn't liking it.
Okay.
So I restarted.
No big deal, boo. It's okay.
Sorry, boo.
We got a whole lot to do. It's all good.
That's fair.
I love you.
I love you more.
I'm sorry I took so long.
I don't think you really did.
I love you.
I love you. Come here.
I love you.
I love you.
Fuck. Come on, let's go. Everyone outside.
This is not going as planned either, but you know what? We're just gonna work with it. And to me, that's looking more pink than purple. Ooh. I'm gonna pick up my BH Cosmetics First Edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. Oh shit, who put this in here? What the fuck? Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. One of my eyeshadows broke in here and it's a fucking mess. It's fine. Oh, to match the color on my lids, I'm gonna go in with this purple and this purple. For primer today, I am going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. I'll stress to you enough how important priming your face is. I know I've gotten messages from people saying that their foundation is slipping off and they don't know why and that it looks horrible. I can honestly tell you that if you're not using a primer, your makeup will crease, it will slip off, and it's not going to stay on all day. Primers are used to keep your foundation in place. Now, finding the right primer for your skin type is a whole nother thing. If you want a video on that, let me know. I'm going back in with some LA Girl Pro Concealer and covering any blemishes, putting some under my eyes for my dark circles and all that good stuff. Thank God my face finally got better. I mean, being a Cosmo, you would think that I would know this, but apparently you can't use tea tree oil by itself or else it'll cause a huge chemical burn. That's what I got. It was amazing. Great feeling for sure. Not, but yeah. So glad it cleared up. I still have some breakouts down here, but you know, we're fighting to get those taken care of as well. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my two favorite foundations. This is the L'Oreal True Match, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Welcome to the Hotel California. Today I am picking up the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the shade Mink. To set my face today, I will be using the Airspun Loose Translucent Powder. I'm just going to press this into the skin. And the reason I press this into my skin is because if you go in there wiping it, it'll wipe all your foundation off and all your contour off, and you don't want to do that because you just worked so hard to get that. So again, just press all of this into your skin. You can go over your contour if you'd like. I know people like to bake and all that. Personally, I don't. So I like to give my powder a second just to really settle in and absorb all the oils, mixed with my face oils and all of that. So while that's drying or setting, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more MAC Painterly Paint Pot underneath my eyes and smoke out the bottom lash line. Just gonna lightly set that just with whatever excess product we have on this brush. And then going back in with that MAC angled brush, I'm gonna pick up Root Canal by Jeffree Star. And just applying that. And I just kind of follow the natural shape of my occipital bone. Not occipital. Holy shit, your occipital is back here. I just follow the natural shape of my eye and just kind of fit the brush underneath. And I like to go dramatic, I really do. So I bring it heavily down. Going back into my BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna pick up the colors we used and put that underneath my eyes as well. And by mixing all of these colors together, you get such a nice transition. Cause like this side looks okay, like looks alright. But once you put that other shade that really matches the lid shade, it just kind of ties everything together. So now that my foundation has set and my powder has set, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna be picking up my favorite contour brush ever. This one is, oh my god, I don't even know where this is from. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure this is a BH Cosmetics brush. Personally, I don't like to spend too much money on my brushes just because they get used so much and I'm constantly, replacing them anyway. So I don't personally spend too much money on my brushes. That's just me. Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is like a really nice, just light bronzer, and it freaking smells amazing. This smells like a nice, cold, tropical drink on the beach. It smells so good. And I just go ahead and apply this to the areas that we applied the cream contour. Bahama Mama Bronzer by The Balm. I think layering contour and bronzer shades together just really helps to blend them really well together. And any excess product I just place on my nose, just on the side. I don't like a crazy nose contour. So just like that, bing bang boom. Last bronzer I'm picking up is the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I would show you the inside, but it broke, and so it's some pieces. All right. And to really carve those cheekbones out, I feel like this is a step that a lot of people miss. I know I didn't do it for the longest time, and now that I do, I definitely see a difference in my contour. So what I like to do is just find a brush, this one. This one will work. This is just a pencil brush, whatever kind of brush you need. Get some of that translucent powder and just really focus it right there. And instantly you can tell this side looks so much better than this side. Moving on to blush, I didn't want anything too crazy since I'm really heavy on the eyes. I'm using this blush from Angel's Eyes Cosmetics. This is in the shade Truth. Dabbing that into that. And these are heavily pigmented. I don't know. I forgot. So I'm just going to tap off as much as possible. Smile and apply that to your cheeks. Just a nice flush of color, nothing too crazy.
Liner today, I'm picking up Totally Toffee by Maybelline.
I will be picking up the MAC Viva Glam 2. It's like my favorite nude ever. MAC literally has some of the best nude lipsticks ever. Ever.
Just going to clean up those edges with some concealer and an angled brush.
And lastly, to set everything in place, I'm going in with MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I couldn't complete this look without some glitter. I mean, without some highlighter. So I'm just gonna pick up my Kat Von D Alchemist palette. And I'm gonna pick up the purple shade, which is called Ultraviolet. Or no, I'm lying. It's called Amethyst, and it's an ultraviolet color. So I'm just gonna pick up my favorite highlighting brush. This is from Bogashi. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Don't kick me if I am not. Just pick up some up on that. And boom. Cool. And that completes my makeup look for today.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'm the only one who thumbs up my videos, so it'd be nice if somebody else did. Bye.